Alright guys, what's up? Today I want to show you guys a few tools, a few screwdrivers that I think you're really going to need to be a successful electrician. Sorry if you hear any music in the background. My neighbor's blasting music, but I don't think you can hear that. I just did a check. But this is the 4-piece setup that I got for free doing the KleinTradesmanClub.com. All you do is just do little things on their website, you get free points, and then eventually you can get free tools. So I went over this video before, I believe, but I want to show you guys all the screwdrivers in here because they're very important. Alright, so everything's already been opened before, but the first one is the 606. I believe this is the 7-inch square shank screwdriver, and I always use this for my beater screwdriver. But also I have gotten the 602 7DD with the metal top right there. I also have one of those that work for a beater screwdriver. It has the metal tip which goes through to the shank. But if you just have one of these, this is great. If you get like I said, this 4-pack right here, this is awesome, especially if it's free. But I got the 7-inch square drive right here, which is a very important one. Like I said, the beater screwdriver, tightening big screws on your set screws, like on bigger couplings and stuff like that for anywhere from like 2 to 4-inch EMT couplings. This one I said would be the least important right here. This is your 6016. I believe that's probably also another 7-inch shank right there. It looks like a 1/4-inch tip or something like that, or even less, 3/8. I think that's less. Sorry, I'm having a total brain fog right now. But anyways, this is the super small one. I used to use this for cut-in boxes, popping in the snap and MC connectors through the wall. But now there's better techniques to do that with MC with lock rings and stuff like that, a lot easier. So I'd say this one is the least important right here, but also you can use this for removing sheetrock or wood from your hole saws, which is really nice, just to stick this through the side of the hole saw and get all the garbage out that you've been cutting through. And then lastly, you have your Phillips right here, your 6034 and your 604, and these are your basic screwdrivers. Your Phillips right here, your number 2 is pretty much for everything. Putting in devices, taking out devices, tightening screws on outlets, switches, all that good stuff, couplings, connectors, and then also your flathead right here. And yeah, this is one that I've never had before, which is also a square shank. I've always had the round shank. As you can see, this is probably the first one that I got. It's beat to hell, but same thing, except one has a square shank and one does not. So a little bit wider actually on the blade right there. But anyways, probably gonna put these into use. But yeah, like I said, I like to use these for tightening connectors and couplings, just to get it extra tight, just to make sure, because not always the Phillips will get it as tight as it can go. I like to get it extra tight with the flat blade. There's also another name that I always forget for this, but I always call it the flat blade. Anyways, if I picked up the package off of the ground, it will tell you all the names right here. So yeah, 3/16 is what I meant for this guy right here, not 3/8, because I would sound stupid if I said that. I would never do that. And then you have your 1/4-inch and your 5/16. So the 604 is this guy right here. The 601/6 is these 3/16 right here. The 606 is the big dog right here, square shank, and the 6034 is your Phillips right here. And this will tell you the 606 is the 5/16 right here, and then the 3/16 cabinet tip right here, and then the 1/4-inch keystone tip, which is this guy right here. So always get them confused. But anyways, these are very important screwdrivers, daily carries. I used to always carry a Phillips and a flat blade, first 2 tools on my tool belt. Since then I have switched. I don't even know what I switched to. I switched to the the 1000 volt rated Phillips screwdriver. I forget the name of that, it's been a while, but that's what I use now, the 2-in-1 Phillips screwdriver with the insulated tip shank. Yeah, so anyways, but I do use all these at work, not these anymore, but I have the 2-in-1, but I do use the beater screwdrivers at work every day, and I still use this guy pretty often at work as well, so every single day. So anyways, hopefully you guys get some of these. If you don't already, they are invaluable, so make sure you check these out. Not just Klein specifically, but just something similar that you can purchase and afford, but make sure to check out these 4 screwdrivers because they are very, very important. I'm going to be stashing these inside my Jonard Tools professional rolling tool bag. I'm going to get that set up so every time I want to make a video, I can just roll it out to the garage instead of just grabbing all 50 of these tools off of the table right here. I've just been having them on the table right here and then just grabbing them and then hoping they don't fall onto the wood floor in the house when I go to the garage. So anyways, I'm gonna be filling this up and I'll probably do a live stream, so not like you're gonna see this right now because I'll probably release this video later, but turn on notifications if you guys want to be notified when I do live streams, or upload videos, I guess. I don't really know what the notifications do these days, but you'll be notified if I post a video, which I have been posting more, so I don't want to like annoy you guys, but also if I do a live stream, you'll be informed about that. So if you want to be informed about the live streams, make sure to hit the notification bell. If not, it doesn't matter to me. Just come back to the channel and check back every once in a while. I'll see if I got some more videos for you guys. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. Love you guys. Peace.